how you all doing? So in today's video, we're going to learn how to sign time and time related words. So are you ready to learn how to tell the time? Yeah? All right, let's go. Time. Time. So you have your non-dominant hand like this, and you take your dominant hand, the index finger, you tap on your wrist like this. Time. Hour or hour. Basically, have your non-dominant palm flat like this. Take your dominant hand, the index finger, and you rotate it around the flat palm like this. Hour. Some people do it like this. Hour. Hour. That's what is fine. Hour. Minutes. Minutes. Have your non-dominant hand either the index finger up like this or you have it flat, whichever way is fine. And you take your dominant hand, put it on your non-dominant index finger like this, right? The thumb and the rest of the hand on here like this, and you flick it like this. Minutes. For second, you finger spell it. S-E-C. Second. Oh yeah? S-E-C. Second. So now to tell the time for the number 1 to 9, we apply the rules of 9. So now what does that mean? That means to sign time, right? Instead of tapping like this time and you say the number, you use the number with the base sign. All right, let me show you, right? So if you're trying to say the time is 1 o'clock, yeah? You do 1 and you put it here, 1 o'clock. So you do 1 from here, you do this and you shake it like this. 1 o'clock. The time is 2 o'clock. 2. Tap it here. You bring it up and you shake it. Time is 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock. The same thing. 3. Bring it here. Bring it out. You shake it. 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 8 o'clock. And 9 o'clock. So now for 10 to upward, you do this. Time 10. You see that? Time 11. Time 12. Do you get it? Yes, I know you get it. Yeah? If you get it, type it in the comment section below. I get it. Okay? If you're trying to say the time is 1:30, for example, you do time like 1, put it here, you bring 1 and you do 30. You get it? So if you don't know your numbers, please go to my previous video and watch how to count from 1 to 100 in ASL. Alright? Time is 2:45. If the time is maybe 6:50, time is 6, yeah, 50. So the hour number, you take it from your wrist, then you do the minutes number, yeah, like 7:30, yeah, or 9:15. Yeah. Then if you want to do 10:30, you do time 10:30. You get it? Do time 11:15. The time is 11:01. You do time and you do 11:01. Okay? If you don't get it, please comment what you're confused about and I'm going to help explain it better. If you're trying to say the time is 7 o'clock in the morning, right? This is what you do. You do time 7. Then you do morning. Time is 7 o'clock at night. Do time is 7 o'clock at night. 10 o'clock in the morning, you do time 10 in the morning. Or if it's 10 o'clock at night, you do time is 10 at night. Time 12 in the afternoon. This is noon. Sometimes you won't see people sign time 12 noon, right? Some people just say it's noon, or they'll say it's 12 noon, like this. They put in the hand like this, showing afternoon, and they're doing the 12 sign. It's 12 noon. Or if they're trying to say it's midnight, they won't do time 12 midnight. They'll just say it's midnight. Midnight. I go to bed at 12 midnight. You see, you're doing the 12, but you're doing it down. That shows it's at night. 12 midnight. Yeah? I go to bed at 12 midnight. Trying to say the time range, right? Example, if you're trying to say the time is 10 to 12, you do time 10 to 12. Time 10 to 12. That's 2 hours. 9 to 1. And that is 4 hours. Time 12:30 2 to 30. So now let's learn some time related words, yeah? So we're going to start off by learning the clock. Have your two hands like this and you kind of like put it up because the clock is always up most of the time, right? Like act as though you're hanging it on the wall. Time, like this. Or you spell clock. Yeah, C-L-O-C-K. Clock. Early. Early. Have your non-dominant hand bend like this, relax like this. Take your dominant, the middle finger, and you swipe across like this. Early. Early. Late. Late. Take your dominant hand and you flick it to the back like this, on the side like this. Late. Now. Now. So have your two hands in a Y shape like this. Take it from up to down. Now. Soon. Soon or soon. Soon or soon. Have your thumb and your index finger joined like this, forming an F, and you put it on your chin like this. Soon. Soon. Some people sign soon like this. Soon. Soon. But I prefer this. Soon. Soon. Or you do soon. Soon. This is also for like shortly. Shortly. Soon. So have your two hands joined like this. Put the dominant hand on top of the non-dominant hand and you move it back and forth like this. Like a brief movement like this. Soon. Always. Always. Like this. Always. Always. So have your dominant hand, the index finger out. You flick your hand backwards, straighten the back, and you do a circular motion like on the right side, like this. Always. If you're lefty, you just do it on the left side like this. Always. Like this. Always. Sometimes. Sometimes. So have your non-dominant hand, the palm facing outward like this. Take your dominant index finger and you do this. Like a loop on the palm like this. Sometimes. Sometimes. Never. Never. So take your dominant hand, the palm flat like this. Take it from the left side, bring it to the right side, and you put it down like this. You see? Like this. Never. Never. Sometimes it's done so fast where some people do it like this, never. Some people do it like this, never. Some people do it like this, never. But just make sure you have your palm flat from left to right and you bring it down to the side like this. Never.